Out of the last 5 MrBeast videos, Chris hasn't been in any of them. Meanwhile, Mack Hopkins is showing up in so many videos that people think he might be a permanent part of the MrBeast team. From Mack's first appearance, fans loved how he fit in with the group. After his second video, viewers were eager for him to become a regular. In the past month, Mack has been in 75% of MrBeast videos with no sign of stopping. On the other hand, Chris Tyson, who used to be in every video, has been appearing less and less. His last appearance was in March 2024, and only for half the video. Some fans believe Chris was fired because of recent controversies, but that's not exactly true. Why is Chris showing up less in MrBeast videos? How did Mack become so popular with viewers? Is MrBeast replacing Chris with Mack? Looking closely, it's clear that Mack is taking on Chris's old role because he has many of the same qualities that made Chris popular. This shift started on April 6, 2023, when Chris tweeted about starting hormone replacement therapy. The tweet was in response to photos showing how different Chris looked. Fans had suspected Chris was undergoing HRT to transition to a woman. Since mid-2022, people noticed Chris becoming more feminine, especially in Beast React videos, which got comments about Chris's new appearance. Another issue was that Chris stopped wearing his wedding ring in photos, leading fans to think Chris and his wife Katie were divorcing because Chris was transitioning. Chris confirmed their separation on Twitter on March 28, 2023, saying they had been separated for over a year and were finalizing things. Chris faced criticism for leaving his wife and child. Though most responses were positive, some negative comments led Chris to tweet that he hadn't abandoned his child, who was his top priority. Later that year, Chris shared a tweet mocking those who claimed he abandoned his child, showing his busy schedule, which included time with his kid and ex-wife. Despite this, Chris's appearances in MrBeast videos kept decreasing, making fans think he was fired. Chris later addressed these concerns on Snapchat.
I told Jimmy, just because I want to spend time with Tucker and he's traveling a lot, I'm just going to come and go as I please. I came to Japan and I left when I pleased. And I went to, I don't know if I can say I went to Mexico. I went to Mexico. And then I came back.
And MrBeast confirmed they were still friends. Chris could join any video he wanted, but he was focusing on his personal life and spending time with his kid. During this time, there was a need for someone to fill Chris's shoes. On October 7th, 2023, MrBeast posted the video World's Most Dangerous Trap, featuring Mack Hopkins for the first time.
I built a giant death trap, which is just one of many traps we've built. And for every trap this contestant survives, he wins $100,000. But if he fails one, he loses everything.
Mack had to navigate several dangerous traps, and although he didn't win, he won the audience's hearts. Fans asked MrBeast to bring Mack back for another chance. On February 10th, 2024, Mack returned in Face Your Biggest Fears to win $800,000. Again, he did well but didn't win, leading fans to request another chance for Mack.
So far in this video, Mack has shown me it is very difficult to scare him. But the final challenge of this video may just be Mack's worst fear ever. And that's because the final challenge of this video is a 1-to-1 recreation of the challenge he failed on last time.
On March 30th, 2024, Mack appeared in 7 days stranded on an island. He was so entertaining that viewers loved him, and the top comment praised Mack, showing the community's support. MrBeast revealed Mack would get one more chance to win a challenge.
That he has won. Yes! Yeah!
I mean, my life's changed now.
Dude, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes! Dude! Yeah!
While Chris can still join any MrBeast video, he's currently focusing on his life and spending time with his child. Meanwhile, Mack is showing the same qualities that made Chris popular and is brave and entertaining in the videos. It's no surprise that Mack might become a regular part of the team. much like he was a beloved member of Eric's crew for years. Subscribe to Elzo News Channel and see you in the next video.